Hey there, Homespot family. Welcome back to the channel where we turn small spaces into big inspirations. If you're living in an urban home and think gardening is only for those with acres of land, think again. Today, we're diving into small space, big impact, vertical garden ideas for urban homes. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, these creative ideas will help you transform even the tiniest corners into lush green havens. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get growing. Let's start with one of the most popular ideas, transforming an old wooden pallet into a vertical garden. This is not only budget-friendly, but also eco-conscious. Simply attach landscape fabric to the back and sides, fill it with soil, and plant your favorite herbs or flowers. It's perfect for small balconies or patios, adding both charm and functionality. Now, if you're looking for something more modern, wall-mounted planters are a great option. These sleek designs can be installed directly onto any sturdy wall, creating a clean and organized look. You can mix and match different sizes and shapes to create visual interest while maximizing your vertical space effortlessly. Next up, let's get creative by repurposing materials you already have at home. Plastic bottles can be cut, painted, and hung vertically to create a unique garden display. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also adds a playful touch to your urban space. Perfect for growing small plants like succulents or strawberries. If privacy is a concern in your urban home, why not combine function with beauty? A living privacy screen made of vertical planters filled with dense foliage can block out unwanted views while purifying the air around you. Use fast-growing plants like pothos or ferns for quick results. For those who love cascading greenery, tiered hanging planters are a must-try. By arranging them at varying heights, you can create a waterfall effect that draws the eye upward. Choose trailing plants like ivy or spider plants to enhance the drama and make your small space feel lush and inviting. Here's a clever hack for renters or anyone who wants flexibility. Magnetic plant pots. Attach these lightweight containers to a metal surface, such as a fridge or a custom-made board. The best part? You can rearrange them anytime to refresh your design without damaging walls. A win-win solution. Got an old shoe organizer lying around? Turn it into a vertical garden. Each pocket can hold a small pot or directly house soil and plants. This method works wonders for growing herbs, lettuce, or even colorful annuals. Plus, it's compact enough to fit on any balcony railing or narrow wall. Another innovative idea is using rain gutters as planters. Mount them horizontally on your wall and fill them with soil to grow shallow-rooted plants like succulents, strawberries, or herbs. This linear approach maximizes horizontal space while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic, ideal for modern urban homes. For a more professional look, consider investing in a modular green wall system. These systems come with removable panels, making maintenance a breeze. They allow you to customize the layout and swap out plants easily, ensuring your vertical garden stays fresh and vibrant all year round. Herb lovers, this one's for you. A vertical herb spiral is a spiral-shaped structure designed specifically for growing herbs. It saves space and keeps your kitchen essentials within arm's reach. Basil, mint, rosemary, you name it. Just imagine having fresh ingredients right outside your door whenever you need them. Repurposing furniture is always a fun challenge. Take an old ladder, lean it against a wall, and hang planters from each rung. This rustic setup adds character to your space while providing ample room for your favorite blooms or greens. It's simple, effective, and full of charm. Want to turn your plants into art? Try framing succulents in shadow boxes or picture frames. These living artworks bring life and texture to bare walls. Since succulents require minimal care, they're perfect for busy urban dwellers who still want to enjoy some greenery indoors. Ceramic pots aren't just for tabletops, they can stack vertically too. Arrange them in a tower formation to save floor space while showcasing a variety of plants. This elegant solution works well in corners or tight spots where traditional plant stands might not fit. PVC pipes may seem unconventional, but they're incredibly versatile. Cut them into sections, paint them in bright colors, and mount them vertically on a wall. Fill them with soil and plant your choice of greenery. This DIY project is affordable, durable, and highly customizable. Imagine walking through a curtain of greenery every day. Trailing plants like pothos, ivy, or philodendron can be hung near windows to create natural green curtains. Not only do they soften harsh sunlight, but they also improve air quality and add a serene vibe to your interiors. Combine storage and greenery with floating shelves. Place potted plants alongside books or decorative items to create a balanced display. This idea works especially well in living rooms or kitchens, where vertical space is often underutilized. It's practical yet stylish. A corkboard isn't just for notes. It can host tiny plant containers too. Pin small pots or test tubes filled with soil and seeds onto the board. This quirky setup is portable and perfect for experimenting with microgreens or petite succulents. Move it around as needed to suit your mood or decor. Add height and elegance to your space with a trellis adorned with climbing vines. Plants like jasmine or clematis will naturally climb upward, creating a lush backdrop. Whether placed indoors or outdoors, this feature brings a sense of tranquility and sophistication to any area. Don't overlook the potential of window boxes. Attach them to railings, ledges, or walls to grow flowers, herbs, or vegetables. They're easy to install and maintain, making them ideal for beginners. Plus, they bring color and fragrance closer to your living spaces. Finally, embrace contemporary design with geometric wire mesh planters. These structures hold plants securely while allowing their roots to breathe. Their industrial chic appearance pairs beautifully with modern interiors, offering a bold statement piece that doubles as a functional garden. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered 20 incredible vertical garden ideas that prove you don't need a lot of space to make a big impact. From DIY pallet gardens to geometric wire mesh planters, there's something here for every style and skill level. The best part? These projects are not only practical but also super fun to create. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to elevate your home. Drop a comment below and let me know which idea is your favorite, or share your own vertical garden story. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, no matter how small your space, there's always room for a little green magic. Until next time, happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.